Happy. Pure joy makes life. Sad. Feeling sad is natural. Angry. Her face turned angry red. Joyful. Their laughter was joyful. Confident. She walked confidently into success. Shy. He spoke shyly, avoiding eye contact. Timid. His timid nature hindered him. Brave. She faced danger bravely, unyielding. Generous. She's known for her generosity. Selfish. He acts purely selfishly sometimes. Intelligent. She's incredibly intelligent. Stupid. His actions seemed remarkably stupid. Wise. His advice was incredibly wise. Foolish. She made a foolish decision. Helpful. He was engaging in highly useful activities. Useless. The broken machine was useless. Polite. She always behaves politely. Rude. His comments were downright rude. Patient. She's remarkably patient. Impatient. He grew increasingly impatient waiting. Energetic. She's always full of energy. Lazy. He lounged, unabashedly embracing laziness. Arrogant. His behavior was arrogantly dismissive. Humble. She spoke with humble confidence. Curious. She approached life curiously. Indifferent. He remained strangely indifferent throughout. Loving. She showed genuine loving care. Hateful. His words dripped with hate. Peaceful. She radiated calm, peacefulness. Aggressive. His aggressive demeanor escalated. Independent. She lived fiercely independently, thriving. Dependent. He remained emotionally dependent. Successful. The entrepreneur's venture proved successful. Unsuccessful. The project ended unsuccessfully. Adaptable. She's incredibly adaptable. Stubborn. He remained stubbornly unwilling. Clean. The kitchen was sparkling clean. Dirty. The person's clothes were really dirty. Loud. The concert was extremely loud. Quiet. The library was completely quiet. Healthy. She leads a healthy lifestyle. Sick. He felt really sick.